Good morning, children. In the last video, we have seen that application software, word processor, spreadsheet software, presentation software, graphics software, multimedia, utilities software, and antivirus software. Just we will recap our chapter. An ordered set of instruction is called a program. A set of instruction is called a program. A set of related program is called a software. There is one program and it is a set of related programs, that is called a software. System software meant for the internal control of the computer system. Operating system software governs the hardware and software components. Operating system is governed to both hardware and software components also. Windows 7 is an operating system software. Application software are the general purpose software used to solve the specific user problems. Utilities are used for maintaining the computer system. Antivirus software is an example of utility application. So antivirus is a utility applications and utilities are used maintaining the computer system. Now we will solve some question answers. Tick the correct answer. So we have to choose one answer and tick mark it. Which of these is an operating system? So MS Word, Windows 7, Writer, Windows Media Player. So these are the applications. Windows, MS Word, Writer and Windows Media Player. So Windows 7 is a operating system. Which software is used for making the presentation? Just we have seen that CalC is used for calculations. Excel is used for mathematical expressions. Windows 7 is a software. Then Impress is a software for making a presentation. Which of these is a utility? Just we have seen that what is utility. WinZip, Impress, Windows 7 and Writer. Windows 7 is an operating system. Writer is a software. Impress is for making the presentation. Remaining is a WinZip. WinZip is a utility. The next page. D. Which type of software helps to control the working of hardware devices? So there are a number of softwares. So we have seen that system software which helps to control the working of hardware devices, means application software, utility, system software and multimedia. So answer is system software helps to control the working of hardware devices. Next one, what is the role of operating system in software? So manage system memory, helps to store the files, assign job to CPU and all of the above. So all of this is the correct answer because operating system do all the functions. Next one, fill in the blanks using hints. Here are some hints. Set up program is called a software. Just we have seen that dash dash and dash dash are the types of software. Application software and system software. Application and system software are the types of software. Dash dash is an application software. So Paint is an application software. Hardware and software in computer is controlled by. So just we have seen that in the last question that hardware and software in computer is controlled by operating system. Last one, dash dash is an utility that protects our system. So antivirus, remaining one is remained. Antivirus is a utility that protects our system. You have to now match. This is a Norton, that is a antivirus. Linux is an operating system. MS Word is a word processor, or you can write in that MS PowerPoint presentation software. And WinZip is just we see that WinZip is a utility software. Now next one, answer the following as true or false. Software are the physical components. False. It is a false because we can't touch the software. Physical components are hardware. Computer cannot work without operating system. Yes, it is a true. Unix is an application software. False. It is a Unix is a operating system. antivirus software protects the computer from viruses. It's a true. Antivirus software protects the computer from viruses. It's a true. Then application are useful for solving the specific user problem. Yes, it is also true. Next one, answer the following question. What is software? Just we have seen the definition. The set of program is called a software. Describe briefly the two types of software. There are system software and application software. So you have to just put their definition of system software and application software. What is the role of operating system software in the computer system? It operates all the hardware and software components. So operating system operates the software as well as hardware components. What is the use of graphics in software? It is used to work with pictures and images. For example, paint brush and any design you can do with the help of graphics software. Why do we use the utilities in our computer? Utilities are used to perform maintenance of computers. So this is the answer. And now activity based learning. So you have to do that activity and identify the software. So this is a WinZip, this is Kelsey, this is a antivirus, Mac OS, that is operating system, Android, that is a software. Android operating system is also there. This is the Word, Linux is an operating system. Then Tux Paint, this is a paintbrush, and remaining you can do. And what is application system and utility, divide it in that. And next one is a group discussion and project and encircle the odd. So, and what is the reason? So we will see this one. You have to do that project also using PowerPoint. Create an attractive presentation on the topic of software and its types. So you have to make a PowerPoint slide and make it software and its types, means you have to describe the types of software. And last one, we have to choose odd man out. This is the CD player, this is keyboard, this is a word, symbol of word, and this is mouse. So all are hardware and this is a software. Microsoft Word is a word processor or a software. These are hardware. And this one, this is a paintbrush, Linux, Excel, PowerPoint, and Linux is the operating system. That's why it is a different. McAfee, PS, what is this? And this is also software. Tux Paint, it is also software, but it is a antivirus. So you can write in your notebook these questions and answer, and please show me. If you have any problem in question answer, then please contact me. Thank you.